Some of the best Goan recipes don't rely on a long list of ingredients. They rely on simple spices that bring out the natural flavor of the fish. Today's Kingfish Jeerem Meerem is a perfect example. With the earthy aroma of cumin, the gentle warmth of pepper, and tender kingfish, this traditional recipe proves that simplicity can be absolutely delicious. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Fresh kingfish is perfect for this recipe. Here I have taken 4 kingfish slices, I washed them and now I am marinating with salt. We will keep this aside for now. Next, to grind the masala in a mixer jar, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 black peppercorns, 2 green cardamoms, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 green chili, 5 cloves of garlic, half tablespoon of Goan vinegar, 1 tablespoon of water or as required. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Freshly ground spices always make a difference, creating a rich and aromatic base for the curry. Place a pan on medium flame, heat some oil in it. Shallow fry the kingfish slices partially. Next, we'll place the kadai on medium flame, heat some oil in it, add 1 chopped onion, saute until the onions turn translucent. Let's start building the flavors that make this dish so special. Next goes in 1 small chopped tomato. We will cook this until the tomato becomes soft. Now we will add the ground masala. As the masala cooks, it releases a wonderful aroma that's hard to resist. I rinsed the mixer jar with 1/4 cup of water and now I added it to the kadai. Stir it. Add little tamarind extract. Add more half cup of water and mix well. Add salt as required. Add half teaspoon of sugar or as required. You can also add more water if required. Now we will cover it and let it boil for 2 minutes. Add 1 green chili slit. Add more water if required. Mix it. Add salt if required. Mix it well. Carefully place the kingfish slices. Cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share, hype, and subscribe to Noila Creations for more recipes. Kingfish Jeerem Meerem is ready. Turn off the flame. Now I am garnishing it with coriander leaves washed and chopped. This Goan Kingfish Jeerem Meerem is aromatic, comforting, and full of traditional flavor. The kingfish is tender, absorbing the beautiful blend of cumin and pepper that gives this dish its uniqueness. Every spoonful is rich with aroma yet wonderfully balanced, allowing the natural taste of the fish to shine through. The curry is light, satisfying, and packed with the kind of homemade goodness that makes traditional recipes so memorable. Served with hot steamed rice, it's the perfect combination of simplicity and flavor. This is the kind of meal that brings back memories of family lunches, coastal kitchens, and recipes lovingly passed down through generations. One bite and you'll understand why Jirem Meerem remains a timeless favorite in Goan homes. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.